Karachi, Pakistan's largest city and financial center, is home to over 15 million people. Karachi is consistently ranked as one of the world's most unlivable cities due to being densely populated, its traffic congestion, and the resulting air and noise pollution. To provide a sustainable transportation system that is affordable, comfortable, fast and secure, the Government of Sindh, in a joint collaboration with the Asian Development Bank, Asian Infrastructure Investment Bank and Agence Française de Développement, is implementing the Karachi Breeze Red Line project, which will transport approximately 350,000 people daily and will directly benefit 1.5 million people of Karachi. The Karachi Breeze Red Line will be the first ever transport system in Pakistan to use biomethane produced from animal waste as a fuel resource for its 213 bus fleet. Biomethane is the world's most sustainable source of transport fuel, delivering much greater reduction in greenhouse gases than any other technologies. This is the world's first ever transport system to be funded by the UN Green Climate Fund. The Karachi Breeze Red Line will have its own dedicated biogas plant located in the Landhi cattle colony in the suburbs of Karachi. It has approximately 200,000 animals producing milk and meat for local consumption, making it the largest dairy colony in Asia. Every day, around 4,000 tons of dung is produced, but with no formal waste disposal system, this dung is mostly discharged directly from farms to open drains adjacent to the cattle farms. This has resulted in large piles of animal waste floating in the drains and on the streets of the colony area, posing severe health and environment issues for the local community, especially children.
मैं इस फील्ड में 13 साल से हूँ। यहाँ पर जो गोबर वगैरह के मसाइल हैं वो इतने ज़्यादा हैं कि जिसकी वजह से लेबर बहुत तंग करती है, रुकती नहीं है। अक्सर सर्दियों में बहुत ज़्यादा मुँह खुर की, गलघोंटू की बहुत ज़्यादा शिकायत आती है क्योंकि सर्दियों में इसकी गोबर ही की वजह से बहुत ज़्यादा गैस वगैरह बनता है, जिसकी वजह से माल बहुत बीमार होता है सर्दियों के अंदर ख़ास तौर पर। और जब बारिश वगैरह का सीज़न आ जाए तो रोड पर ये गोबर को फेंक दिया जाता है, जिसकी वजह से कीचड़ और गंद इतना बन जाता है कि आने जाने वालों को भी बहुत ज़्यादा मुश्किल होती है। तो इसको यहाँ से साफ़ किया जाए, जितना ज़्यादा साफ़ इसको किया जाएगा उतनी ज़्यादा जानवरों की मतलब नशोनुमा बहुत अच्छी होगी और यहाँ पे उतना ही हम तरक्की कर पाएंगे।
Although some of this waste is dried on the street for collection and sale as fertilizer, most is allowed to flow to the sea each day, causing additional harm to the quality of seawater and marine life. The Karachi Red Line will work in partnership with the local farmers on the collection and delivery of feedstock supply to the biogas plant. This partnership will provide business opportunities to the local farmers as well as investment in community development projects such as provision of education and health services, an animal waste management system, infrastructure projects and employment opportunities.
बायोगैस प्रोजेक्ट के हवाले से मैं अपने फार्मर्स को एक पैगाम देना चाहता हूँ कि ये मैं समझता हूँ, मेरी नज़र में, हमारी पूरी DCFA पाकिस्तान की नज़र में तरक्की का रास्ता है और एक इनकलाब आपके दरवाज़े पर दस्तक दे रहा है। खुशहाली आपके दरवाज़े पे आके खड़ी हुई है। मैं ये समझता हूँ कि फार्मर्स DCFA पाकिस्तान की हैसियत में इस प्रोजेक्ट की कामयाबी के लिए हर मुमकिन कोशिश करेंगे और एशियन डेवलपमेंट बैंक और सिंध गवर्नमेंट को हमारा साथ जिस हद तक चाहिए हम उसका साथ देंगे हर हाल में इंशाअल्लाह ताला।
The Karachi Breeze Red Line biogas project will become the gentle wind which will significantly curb the greenhouse effect from the metropolitan and improve the lives of the local community.
For us, this is a huge opportunity. Number one, provide transport solutions for the city, and this is going to add to the livability and to the overall growth and revenue generation, and which is going to be beneficial for the entire country. We see this as an opportunity for the government to step in and to work further with the community in terms of opportunities of income through the back end services that may be generated through this plant. The the women are going to be huge beneficiaries in the sense that a large number of women are involved in handling the cattle waste. So once they have comparatively a better availability of time and they have a better environment, we can think in terms of connecting government services in a more integrated manner.
A clean and green Karachi is our priority. Together, we can not only weave a greener future, but also fuel it with an eco-friendly bus transportation service for all citizens of Karachi. Karachi Breeze Biogas Project, the green future of Karachi.